I'm recently retired, and one of the crazy things I've done is I've retired actually from jobs 3 times. Why did I retire? Well, the thing is, I never had enough money. So, if there's anyone out here like that, let me know. I'll be glad to share some of my stories of why I retired and what happened and why we didn't have enough money saved. So, I'm going to be referring to my notes too. And if you have any questions, just let me know. One of the things I want to talk about is not having enough money. I had a job 10 years ago that I actually retired from for the first time, and I have a small pension coming from that. And then I went back and forth, and a few years later, well, I thought I was going to do something else. So I was selling on eBay and Amazon, and those just didn't work out to give me enough money. So I went back to work part-time just to make some extra money because my husband and I were thinking about moving out of state. So I thought, part-time work was fine. I was an accountant, so accounting, you can always find a job and make extra money. And then COVID hit, and there was a lot of remote work. Some people got fired and let go, and it was just kind of a strange place to work. So I left that place a couple years back, and then we decided for sure to move out of state and build a house. And then we're looking at our finances and what Social Security was going to be and our retirement income. We're like, oh no, I need to do something new. So I went back and got a full-time job again as an accountant at a local community college, and it was a good gig. So, but a few months ago, I left that because we're getting ready now to move, and I need to pack up my house. But in the meantime, I found this online business, and today I want to talk about one of the things I like most about it is the automated website. So having an automated website means that once people go to your website and put in their email, they'll get our free blueprint. But then they're in our system, and there's a funnel system where they get emails every day for 30 days telling them different features about the business and a lot of testimonials. Now, I've had other websites before where an automated system would have been just great for me. I've had to not automatically, but manually type in emails to customers if I wanted to respond to them. There was no system. It was random, willy-nilly, and it was really hard to do, and the follow-up was terrible. So those businesses didn't really do as well as I wanted because I think if I had an automated system, it would have helped. So with this system, I can send separate emails outside the funnel, or I can just let the system work itself. And it's really kind of a good thing because I don't have to worry about it. So like I said, if you have an existing business or you're looking to start something in retirement, this just takes a few hours a day, and it can set you up for a really good income. Another plus to have an automated system and an email system is that when you post online to all these other social media forums, those customers aren't really yours. Those systems, you're kind of renting real estate from them. And once you have your email list growing, that's your own property, and you can use it to sell them other things. You can correspond with them on a regular basis, whatever. It's your asset, it's your business asset, and that's what every business wants to have, a giant email list. Because whether it's for this digital marketing program, there's other things you may develop later on at a date, and you want to offer it to them to help them grow their business. Or you may want to contact just local businesses and just say, I've got this program that can help you learn to market your business. I'm going to scroll on my note here and just see what else. So the other good thing about this business is we're saying it's 100% affiliate income, but really it's 100% profit. I own the master resale rights to these programs, and I can do with them what I want. If I'm affiliate for someone else, like on Amazon or another TikTok shop, I'm getting a small percentage, and I don't own that product. I don't own anything about it. So that's another plus with this system. I post daily to different social media sites. I place free ads, and it just gives me freedom to make some money without being chained to a job. I know when I thought about going back to work the last couple times, I'm like, what do I want to do? How much money do I need to make? And, the joke is always about Walmart greeters or going back to work someplace, part-time or fast food. And I just wasn't going to do that. I was an accountant, and that's always something I can do no matter where I go, where I live. Again, we're going to be moving cross country, and I thought about, I can get a part-time accounting job somewhere, but I'm really tired of doing accounting, and so this business is going to be something that I'm going to do probably forever until I have enough money. And one of my goals is to pay off my new mortgage, because we will have a new mortgage when we build our house, but once I pay that off, we're going to be free to travel and do whatever we want. So I'm not sure what else to say right now. I've said I really just want to talk about the automated system. And if you'd like to follow me, just please, follow me and see what my future my future videos will talk about and content. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I think I'm going to put an end to this right now and call it a day. And thanks so much for everything.